We're asked to add and simplify 7/8 plus 2/3. Whenever you add fractions, the very first thing is to get a common denominator. Looking at these fractions, the denominator of the first fraction is 8, the denominator of the second fraction is 3. So we will need to rewrite the fractions in order that they have common denominators before we can actually add the fractions. First of all, 8 and 3 are the numbers that we're looking to find a common multiple for. We're looking for the least common multiple of 8 and 3. If you'll notice, 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, and 3 is a prime number. They have no prime factors in common. So the least common multiple is going to be their product, 8 times 3, or 24. So I want to write 7/8 with a denominator of 24, and I want to write 2/3 with a denominator of 24. In order to do that, I'm going to multiply 7/8 times 1. And so I'm not going to change the value of the fraction, but I'm going to choose a number for 1 that will give me a denominator of 24. And that form of 1 is 3/3. Again, I'm going to write 2/3 with a denominator of 24. And I'm going to choose a value for 1 to multiply by 2/3 so that I will get a denominator of 24. And that value for 1, or name for 1, is 8/8. Now, if I multiply 7/8 times 3/3, I get 21/24. Multiplying numerators, multiplying denominators. 2/3 times 8/8 is 16/24. And now I have a common denominator of 24, so I can add the numerators. 21 plus 16 all over that denominator of 24. I keep the common denominator. Adding the numerators, I have 37/24. 37 is not factorable, so I know I can't simplify this, so I'm done with the addition.